Hey, this is Jeremiah with 10 or Less, where we show you how to make amazing camp meals using 10 items or less, but focus on higher quality ingredients so you don't have to bring the whole kitchen with you, but still have a great camp meal. Today, we're in Gray Forest Garage, our home studio, hanging out with some good friends. On the menu this time, Brussels and taters with bacon, goat cheese, and a homemade balsamic glaze. Helping us cook this meal is our buddy Brent, a local distiller in Kentucky. Let's go over the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. First, you'll need some Brussel sprouts. Second, Petite gold potatoes. Some thick cut bacon of your choice. And some high quality goat cheese. We're going to try it with a few different types. Some salt and pepper. And some balsamic vinegar. The higher the quality, the better. 1 bag of Brussels sprouts and 1 bag of potatoes should feed 4 people pretty good. Let's get this thing started. First, we're going to make our homemade balsamic glaze. This is a really straightforward and easy process. Pour at least 16 ounces, 2 cups, into a small pot or pan. We need to bring it up just to a boil and bring it back down to a simmer. We want to let this reduce and cook off to about 25% of its original volume, so you need about 4 ounces left over after it's done. Once down to 25%, take it off the heat and let it cool to room temperature. Next, we're going to start with the bacon. We're going to cut the bacon into 1/2 inch to inch wide chunks, leaving it all together for easier cutting. Let's put all that bacon on a cooktop or large pan. The goal is to render all of the bacon grease off. Roll that beautiful bacon footage. Don't forget to hydrate during this process. After we've cooked our bacon pretty crispy, remove and set aside. Next are our Brussels sprouts. This one's pretty simple. We're just going to cut all of them in half. And with our Petite gold potatoes, we're going to cut those into small slices. Time to cook it all up. On medium to high heat, throw all of your ingredients right on top of that bacon grease. Season heavily with the salt and pepper. After about 10 to 15 minutes, you'll get a nice dark char, and the potatoes should be nice and fried, and it's time to take them off. Now that the glaze is cooled and thickened up a little bit, we're going to pour it over our big bowl of goodness and mix it together. Put a nice heaping amount on a plate. Put some big old chunks of goat cheese on there. And lastly, a hefty amount of our bacon. Serve it up to your friends. We also tried it with some wild blueberry lemon thyme goat cheese, and that's a big ol' highly recommend. Thanks for watching, and remember to enjoy where you eat.